Hey guys, do you want to bookmark our website in your Google Chrome, in mobile phone, in Android, and you don't know how to do that? So don't you worry because you're on the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you that exact way how to bookmark our website in Google Chrome, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you've liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Google Chrome and open up that website which you wanna bookmark. So let's suppose it's Fiverr. We have just suddenly open that Fiverr. So in order to bookmark a website in Google Chrome, just the process is same for laptop or for a mobile Android. Just simply tap at these three dots in the top right corner and tap at bookmark, or you can tap at this star. Let me show it to you clearly. This star, you can see this one. Just simply tap on it, and here you can see it says bookmark save in reading list. So uh, like you can tap on it and see it over there. So bookmarks means like you are in a new tab and you want to directly go to that specific website within a few minutes. Just simply tap at these three dots, tap at bookmarks, and tap here. It will show a list if you have created much websites as bookmark. I have just only one website to show you. Here you can see, just simply if you tap on it, we are just simply redirected to that specific website. So in order to delete a bookmark, what you can do is just simply tap at these three dots. You can tap at bookmarks and go for, or you can tap at this star over there and tap at this delete icon in the top right corner. Just simply tap on it. So like in this way you can bookmark a website or delete a bookmark from Google Chrome. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in comment section below and I'll be to the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel if you think that this video helped you and you learn how to bookmark our website in Google Chrome and Android. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, goodbye till the next video, and do not forget to check the latest video on the end screen.